Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to crop image in Canva. So in order to do that, you just have to get on one option. So for example, I have this photo which I will get from the Canva portfolio. Okay, so I have this photo and I want to crop it. So I just have to click on that photo and I have four middle points, this one and these two ones. So we can just crop our photo from these points. Like I just have to hold this point and make my cursors towards the point where I want to crop. Okay, so this is how I can just crop my photo by holding these points. So this is first step by which you can easily crop your photo, and the second one is, which is very easy, you just have to click on your photo like this and you will find the edit photo option. Here you have to click on crop and now you will find many aspect ratios. So you can choose anyone you want. So in my case I am going to select the freeform option where I can easily crop my photo according to my need. So if I want to crop this lady face, so I just hold to this point and this is how I can just crop the photo. So this is how you can easily crop your photos in Canva, and I hope this video helps you. If it is, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.